Hey guys, so today I'm going to unbox Nokia 2610 in blue color. So this thing is refurbished, packaging looks used. So oh, this guy sent black, never mind. So batteries inside, nope, just put it right here. So I've got right, the charger, which the old type, and the battery. So just going to change the thing, and we'll just grab the SIM card. I probably have few SIM cards laying around, so grabbing my adapter, another adapter, and a SIM. Yeah, this one is unactivated already, like expired SIM card, and this thing looks bent. So just going to put right here, and this guy's goes here. I'm not going to peel plastic first, just to see whether it's work or not. So we'll just put the back cover on. Okay, it's booting up. Okay, it works, so I'm going to switch angle. Meanwhile, I got this plastic thing on this phone right here. So since it looks like worn out like scratch, so let's peel this thing. There we go, you can see a plastic thing. Hopefully this year's is not scratched out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, stay tuned for the videos, and peace.